They're doing construction in the sub. This is just how I want to start my morning. Ah, my ears. Hello everybody. It is Thursday morning. And I swear you can't hear me. Yeah, bright and early. I'm actually working the sub today, not the business building, surprisingly. So, change of scenery, huh? So I just had that moment where I get back to my car in the garage from a long day of being gone, and only to realize that I left my car unlocked. Thank goodness people in Boise are nice. Anyway, hello people. I know it's not been long for you, it's been long for me. I haven't filmed much this day. Sorry, no sub shenanigans because schedules changed today. And, you know, people are in different places. I got done actually early. I'm gonna go meet up with the broski, bro. Caleb, my brother, he's coming to BSU here in the fall, so next week. And so I'm giving the tour, showing around campus, so he knows everything since I'm the expert. That's what we're doing, so. Guys, I'm in a creepy alleyway. Let's hope I don't get murdered or robbed. Oh, my tires are gone. Oh crap. No, I'm kidding, Boise's not like that. I mean, there's still crime and stuff, but it's like not that bad. And I'm just picking up my brother from work. He actually works, he has my old job, my runner job when I worked for the law firm, so he's doing that. I missed that job because I like driving around Boise a lot. It was fun, because you get to go to a whole bunch of different places, different law firms, and just see different places. It was fun, but it's cool my brother can have it. Actually, some of you who've been watching me long enough, you will know that right down there is where I filmed Falcon Punch, that one short video. If you don't, it's a video where I like, because I used to do shredding for the runner job, so we had big bags of documents we'd shred, and so we'd always throw it out in the trash back here, so I would Falcon Punch it in there just because it's an alleyway and it's fun to do. And so I made a video of it, and actually I'll link it, annotation here and below. Watch it, it's pretty good. But Falcon Punch the recycling. Dogger! Oh, he's going in his house. Dude, this dog is like his backyard in this back of this guy's truck. He's just chilling back there. Look, doggy! Doggy! Hello everybody, it's Caleb. We just got done touring campus and we're gonna go get some food. Panda Express. It's the bomb, dig it the bomb. American Chinese food is delicious. Hey guys, right there is where Charles Trippy collapsed in Boise, where most of you have found me from that event. So I drive by like every day, so it's kind of weird, like, right there is where Trippy collapsed, and I was hanging out in the parking lot right where that guy's kind of walking right back there, so that gives you a little bit of perspective. Crazy, that was in February, it's been months, and of course Trippy's all healed and better, so it's awesome, good news. Oh, delicious. I know I said I wasn't gonna put food in the vlog, but it's just too good. So I'm wondering, what are your favorite like fake food? Like this is like not like authentic Chinese or Japanese, I don't know. This is delicious. Like what's your favorite like fast food restaurant of fancier food, I guess? I don't know how you explain it. Or what's your favorite restaurant food? Leave it in the comments down below. Anyway, I'm gonna devour this now, so I'll talk to y'all later. So for some reason Panda Express has like fortune cookies on the tables now, so I got 2 more. Score! That's like triple the fortune now. Yeah! Anyway, Panda's good. I like Panda. Now I'm gonna go sleep in a MSG Toma.
Hey look over there.
Oh, they got bodies in the trunk?
Kinda.
CRT monitors? Hey, true color, man. True color. My brother's driving my grandpa's old Cadillac, so he's a caddy driver. Drank. Okay, I gotta drive. Bye. Ooh, I got packages. Woo! Oh, these are actually just my books. Yay. I guess it's hitting me more now that I actually have all my books here. I ordered a lot of them from Chegg.com, which you haven't heard of that. That's a book rental service website. Books are cheaper in a sense, but you return them and it doesn't cost you extra. So if you don't like to try and sell books back or you want to save a lot of money, that's one way to go. I found that was the cheapest route for me this semester. Those of you college students, you've got your own methods for finding textbooks, and those who haven't, I suggest you start looking into it now, because of all the things that college costs the most, the textbooks are the most ridiculous in my opinion. But yeah, I think I have all my books now. Maybe. I don't know. It doesn't matter. The first week, nothing happens anyway. So my dad works for IT, and so he went to like this trade show thingy today, right? Yeah, what's it called, Dad? Called Interface Boise. Interface Boise, epic. And they always give out, like, the companies there always give out lots of free stuff. So we're gonna see what goodies my dad grabbed today. What do you got? What do you got?
Slippers from Intel.
Intel slippers. They make your feet go fast?
They're Pentium 2.
Pentium 2 penny loafers.
You got your basic first aid kit here with bandages and Q-tips.
Storage craft. Hey, sponsor all this stuff.
Lots of notepads, because we can always use that.
Yes.
This is like little post-it flags and notepads.
Piper.
Hey, we even got yo-yo. Light up yo-yo.
Nice.
Big.
Wow, that's quite the water bottle.
Magnetic chip clip magnet. This is the cell phone holder that reclines nicely on your desk. You got your.
You want something, Joey? Ah, you're freaking out. You're freaking out. Whoa!
Right, bouncy ball.
Hope nobody's epileptic. I'm sorry.
Get it, Zoe. Oh, it's got to be the best thing of it all.
What is it?
Time Warner.
Oh, that's sick.
I don't know. Let's just see what happens.
Bring it around town. Yes. Very nice.
Got those swivel hips even.
Moving, grooving.
You got your basic mint package, which
Those mints are never good.
Mints are horrible. Lots of pins.
Wow.
This is probably the second best.
Oh, nice,
find
yeah.
of the whole thing was the. Ready?
So if you want random knickknacks and sticky notes and slippers, don't need to buy them. Just go to like these tech trade shows and just, you know, dress up nicely so you look like you're from some company, and then shake people's hands and get a bunch of free cool stuff.
That's it.
Sweet. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you for watching.
Free tech stuff with Crisco Lloyd's dad. Anyway, guys, I thank you for watching. I'm gonna go edit this video now. Remember to like this video if you like it, not because I tell you. If you want to subscribe to keep track with all my videos, that'd be great. You don't have to, it's up to you. It's your choice. Links to follow me on Facebook or Twitter in the box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the tomorrows. Goodbye.